Cambodian cuisine is often overlooked in favor of its neighbors, Thailand and Vietnam. While not as diverse as these two, the Cambodian dishes have a specific charm going for it, from classic noodle dishes to interesting combinations with ants. The Cambodian cuisine doesn't disappoint. Here is one of the best Cambodian dishes that you have to try. This is a popular breakfast food in Cambodia. It is a rice porridge, Khmer food. It's always served with plenty of condiments to balance the desired sweet, sour, spicy, and salty taste. A very simple dish with a rich flavor and one of the cheapest meals in Cambodia. Let's begin. In a large pot, add 8 cups of chicken broth or water and bring it to a boil. Then prepare the small size of whole chicken with 1 stalk of lemongrass, salt, and pepper. Meanwhile, let's prepare and cut 6 cloves of garlic. Moving on, let's heat up a small pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add the 6 cloves of sliced garlic. Stir for 2 minutes. Moving on, let's add 1 cup of soaked sweet rice. Followed by 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Then add the 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Lastly, 1 tablespoon of ground white pepper. Stir well for 2 minutes. And after, combine this rice to our chicken broth. Turn the heat down to medium-low, stir occasionally and let simmer for about 30 minutes until it has a thick, creamy texture. Meanwhile, let's prepare my favorite hot sauce in Cambodia. In a mortar, let's mash 3 cloves of garlic, 2 red chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 whole of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix all together. And after making our favorite hot sauce, let's prepare the SawTooth HERB, or NGO Goi in Vietnamese name, or it's known as culantro, long coriander, a fragrant spice herb, long leaf, and a cousin of cilantro. Just keep stirring it on and off so the rice won't stick. After simmered for 30 minutes, this is ready. Just garnish with condiments to your taste. 2 tablespoons of fermented red bean. Next, let's add bean sprouts. I prefer fresh bean sprouts if I have. Next, let's add the SawTooth HERB or NGO Goi. And lastly, the Cambodian sauce I love. It's gonna be so good and spicy and sweet and sour. Mix and add sliced lime. This Cambodian bobor or bobor morn or rice porridge is the perfect dish to put on the table at the end of a long cold winter day. If you're craving comfort food and you're up for an exciting taste treat, you'll enjoy this recipe. Plus, it's a one dish that you can whip up in under an hour. Let's enjoy it. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.